At the time I made the decision to bring all the customer support work back to the U.S., I wasn't sure we could afford it because, obviously people here in New England make a lot more money than somebody in India. But the quality of the work and the speed with which people here can resolve the customer's problems is so much faster that it's actually not costing us any more to do customer support here than it was when we were doing it in India. Even though somebody in Maine, where our big customer support center is, probably makes 3 times the hourly rate of somebody in India, what was a 20-minute call for somebody in India is a 5-minute call for somebody in Maine, because you don't have language problems, you don't have these cultural problems. If somebody can just answer the phone here and they can say, okay, how can I help you? And you tell them the problem and they tell you how to fix it. And it's just not, you don't have all these sort of cultural barriers that you have to get over in dealing with people who feel they have to read a script and so forth. When you call our customer support people, it's like calling up your knowledgeable nephew who just helps you get the problem fixed. And the comments that we get back from the customers now are really like night and day. So, when we started customer support back, in 2006 when we started the company, we didn't have the money to do customer support locally. So we just did what most everybody else does in the software and services industry, is we hired a subcontractor in India to do it. But I could just never I was never happy with it. I have to call customer support myself sometimes because, I get a new PC and I can't remember how do you transfer the Carbonite account from the old PC to the new PC. And so I call customer support and I'm sitting there saying, that was a terrible experience. And, we got to do better for our customers. And, if we want them to stay with us for year after year after year, they have to have a great customer experience. And so finally I said, I don't care how much it costs. I don't care if it costs us double or triple. We're moving customer support back to the U.S. where, when somebody answers the phone, they can just talk to you like the guy down the street.
You've been listening to The Small Business Roundtable with your host, John Martin. Join John each Tuesday and Thursday on Blog Talk Radio as he provides insightful interviews with our nation's most successful entrepreneurs as they share their secrets to success and avoiding mistakes. For more information about SBR, the Small Business Roundtable, visit johnmartinsbr.com.